Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a quick, relaxing morning clean with me. I did go ahead and include this clip of me washing the kids' bedding. I've been trying to do at least one chore a day that normally doesn't get done a lot. So I've been washing our beddings once a week just to have that done. And then my next chore to do is to clean my washing machine. As you guys can tell in this video, it needs done. And I really need to wipe down my kitchen cabinets and stove and fridge. But being 8 months pregnant, I have not had the energy to do anything. So I've just been trying to take it easy and just get done what needs to be done that day. So what I needed to get done today was just to tackle my kitchen. It really didn't need too much done to it because I did clean it up last night and I lowered the dishwasher, but I just wanted to touch up on it because if I let my kitchen go a day without cleaning, it will pile up. So I usually just try to tackle the kitchen, and I love just having a clean kitchen. Is anyone else like that? Just once they have everything done and they light their candle, they just feel so relaxed. Yes, I know I need new blinds. Eleanor loves to go over and look out the window, so they've just been torn up, and it's just not a priority right now to buy them when they're just going to get torn up again. But I just wanted to say, if you guys notice my toenail polish in these upcoming clips, Molly has been so into painting my nails and her nails, and I just haven't had the energy to take it off. So that is it for this quick morning clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. I did create a second channel that was going to be about cleaning and grocery hauls, but right now I just don't have the energy into putting anything into that channel. So once the baby is here, I will most likely be going back to that channel. So for right now, all my cleaning and grocery hauls will continue over on this channel. Please make sure you guys like this video, subscribe if you're new, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.